our 3-pan gas steam warmer with glass cover. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 44 inches, a depth of 30.5 inches, and a height of 51.5 inches. Measurements of the top steel cover, we have 13.25 inches in depth, by 44.25 inches in length. Minus the glass cover, we have 34.5 inches tall. The depth of the cutting board is 8 inches. And the measurements for each of the 3 slots to insert your warming pans will include 12.25 inches in length, 20.25 inches in depth, by 8.25 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 3 slots to insert your warming pans. Right below we have our 3 separate temperature control gauges. At the top left corner we'll have our ETL NSF certification. Coming below is an additional shelf for storage. And the measurements for the shelf will include 41.5 inches in length by 18 inches in depth, and a height 15.5 inches. Also included is the natural gas regulator, along with 3 liquid propane burner jets. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.